Hello guys, welcome to Dance IT Network. And for today's video is we're gonna talk about switch versus the router and router versus the switch. So let's go ahead first with the switch. Okay, so on this switch, there are three computers that is connected, and I connect them using the straight through cable, which is this one, straight through cable, fast Ethernet 0 from the PC to the switch, fast Ethernet 0/1, and this one go to the fast ethernet 0/2, and for this PC to the fast ethernet 0/3 to the switch. Okay, and this IP address, I want this IP address to be on this PC, and this IP address on this PC, this IP address on this PC, and I haven't configured yet the IP address though. Okay, and if this PC have this IP address, and also this IP, this one is IP. Okay, they should be able to communicate to each other. Why? It's because based on the IP, okay, they are on the same network. Why? It's because they start with 192.168.1, and it is also 192.168.1, and the same as it here, it's dot one. Okay, and they are on a class C IP address. Okay, meaning that the last digit of the IP, this number two, number three, and number four, this should be the host. Okay, so this is the two host, this is the three host, and this is the four host. Okay, so they belong to one network, and they should be able to communicate to each other, right? So what if I'll change this IP address? Let's say um, I want it to be two network. Okay, well, if that's the case, then this PC cannot communicate to this PC. It's because this IP address, it's on a different network, okay? And this PC won't be able to connect to this PC as well, okay? But this PC and this PC can still communicate, all right? Because this is on the two network, which is 192.168.2, and then it's on the host 3. And if I want this PC to communicate to the other PC, I can add additional PC in here, okay? And I can choose any port on the switch, and then I will assign an IP address, which is 192.168.2. Let's say I'm gonna make it that 4, which is the 4 host, okay? So in that case, then this PC can communicate to that PC, okay? And if we want this PC to communicate to this PC, which is they are on a different network, okay, then we need the presence of a router. Okay, so now that's what we're going to talk about router then. Okay, so let's go with the router. Okay, and so this is the router. So in this router, there are two computers that is connected. This computer is connected to the gigabit port on the router, which is 0/0, and this PC is connected to the gigabit 0/1. So this is a straight through cable, and this is a straight through cable. Okay, and let's say I want this PC to have this IP address, and this PC to have this IP address. Okay, so this is a three network, and this is a 4 network, so they are on a different network. But since we do have a router, then they should be able to communicate to each other. But first is we need to set up the IP address on the router so that they can communicate to each other, while on the switch is we cannot do that, right? So we need to set an IP address to the gigabit 0/0 to this IP address, which is 192.168.3.1. Okay, so if you notice, this two network should be on the same network. Okay, and this will become the gateway. Okay, so we will put the this IP address as a gateway on this PC. Okay, and we will also assign this IP address to this port, which is gigabit 0/1, it's 192.168.4.1. So they are on the same network. Okay, so this will be then the default gateway of this PC, and they should be able to communicate to each other. Okay,